Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing this beautiful green look. Some people might say these colors are ugly. I don't care. I love all shades of green and this look is absolutely stunning to me. I'm using a palette that I have never filmed a tutorial with on my channel, and that is the BhCosmetics Take Me to Ibiza palette. And I've had this for a few years in my collection and never used it on camera. It's an absolutely stunning palette, so let's get started. I'm using the AOA Studio Eyeshadow Primer to prime my lids, and then the Be Pure Infused Pressed Powder under eyes to catch any fallout that I might have. And there's really not a lot of fallout with this palette, so that's really good. But BhCosmetics Take Me to Ibiza palette, and of course we're going to be going in with the brightest green. It's like a yellow green in the palette. I'm using this on a fluffy blending brush, and it tapers out towards the end a little. So it's a brush that is fluffy and it's kind of pointed at the end, so I can really target this inner portion of my crease, and I'm bringing this in a little further than halfway, and I'm using my orbital bone as a guide. Next up, I'm taking this beautiful ugly green. This green here is so pretty though to me. I am so drawn to these uglier green shades, and I'm taking this on a more pencil styled like blending brush, and I'm going to place this in my outer corner and up into the rest of the crease there. And because these are in the same color family, they are going to blend incredibly easy, even though they are different formulas. Like this is a matte, and then the other shade I used in the crease is slightly shimmery. They blend really, really nicely. Now I wanted to get closer to show you this little process here. I'm taking that yellow green slightly above the darker green, and I just like how that looks. So it just kind of tapers up above it, and once again they blend super easily. I wore this look to meet baby Levi, and on the lid I'm going to use this olive green. It's a shimmery shade from the palette, and a flat shader brush, and I'm using my Loreal spray to wet my brush, and I'm going to literally, because it's a flat shader brush, paint this on my lid. But my sister had her baby. She ended up having to have a C-section, and her baby weighed 7 pounds 10 ounces, and his heart rate started to drop. His body was in distress, and they'd done a C-section, and his umbilical cord was wrapped around his ankles. He also didn't cry when he was born, so they had to put him on oxygen for a little while, but he's thriving now. He's completely okay. My sister's due date was April the 22nd, I believe, and she ended up having him April the 2nd. Shares the same birthday as my mom's brother, so my Uncle David, and my cousin Nikki. Yep, they all three have the same birthday. And here I talked over most of this, but I'm doing a highlight here, and see the difference that makes just once they're all blended together like that. So seamless and gorgeous. And I'm using the dark green on the lower lash line, and I'm using the shimmery white in the palette to up the inner corner, and I'm also going to wet my brush for that. And yeah, I love how this green look turned out. I hope you guys enjoy it as well. How exciting about the baby news as well. He is here, he's perfect, and he is the cutest, and he has strawberry red hair. Yes. Yes. And this Believe Beauty eyeliner in Olivia, I'm using that on my lower lash line, waterline, and my upper because it's a darker shade. And have you noticed that y'all's Dollar Generals don't carry Believe Beauty anymore? Well, mine doesn't anyway. I'm curious about yours. But yes, I'm just expressing how much I love this look, and I love that L'Oreal Bambi mascara as well. I love how it makes my lashes look. The lip gloss is just a shimmery green iridescent lip gloss from e.l.f. and I just love the vibes of this look. The earrings are little peeps bunny peeps, and they are from Shein, you guessed it. They have these in a variety of different colors, and these are the ones that I chose. I think they're so adorable. I've been wearing them everywhere. So cute. So I hope you enjoyed the video, found the tutorial helpful. Maybe we'll try the look out for yourselves. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos like these. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links and a product list.